My butt doesn't jiggle enough for this. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Franny, and today I'm here with Nessa. And if you can tell by the title of this video, she is gonna be teaching me how to twerk. She's a dancer. She's a really good dancer, and you know, she knows her thing. She knows how to twerk a little and
a little thing or two.
Do a little, you know. And I have no idea. My butt isn't jiggly enough for this. I don't know if I'm really that good at it. I can try, but it's gonna be really interesting. There's different kinds of twerking that I didn't know of until now, until she told me. Yeah. So this is gonna be quite interesting. But yeah, I think we're gonna get right into it. Should we
play like
music?
Something behind?
Probably. Okay. Unless we just air. I look like a chicken. It's like
Brady, I think you only know how to white twerk.
Oh man.
What song will not get copyrighted?
Oh no, we'll probably. Oh shoot. Maybe you teach me first without the music. Okay, so the first twerk. Is that how you say
twerk?
The first twerk.
The first twerk.
Yes. The first twerk. Nessa, go ahead, show me. I have no idea.
Well, let's start by just jumping up and down, so you get a feel of like your butt going up, up.
Whoa. Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
See how you feel? So you get it, and then you're gonna start like going down.
Oh, so we're going
getting down. Just you get the movement. Yeah. It kind of feels kind of awkward at first, but so just you kind of get the.
Okay.
Right? So you go up, and then just start going down, down.
My butt doesn't jiggle. My butt doesn't jiggle.
Okay, let's start this. Okay, so put your hands inverted this way.
All right.
Awkwardly close.
I know. Ready? Inverted.
Now your back's gonna go up, up, and then down,
down,
up, down,
down,
up, down.
Hold on, I'm already out of breath from jumping up and down. She's like, all right, let's go. I'm already out of breath. Hold on. Wait, let me see in the mirror, right? Like that. Okay. Up, down, down, up, down. I feel like a chicken.
You know what you just look like? This is gonna be so hate me. Do you know the girl that does these videos?
Yeah, I know who you're talking about, Nessa. All right, forget it.
No. I'm like, so go here. Up.
Oh wait, are my hands?
This way, yeah. Up.
Up.
It's like the slow version. Up. And then you just.
I got it! Whoa, guys, watch out! I can twerk! Gotta practice.
Up, down, up, down, up, down.
I can't get it down.
Did you do it? Yeah, wait, you do it again.
Really? I'm sorry. I got it! Woo! I can twerk! Okay, next one.
Next one.
It's intense. I'm sweating. Alright.
Should the floor one?
Oh gosh. Floor work.
So you're gonna come here, gonna plank.
Okay.
So you're going into a plank.
Okay.
And it's gonna be the same movement. So you're gonna go up.
Are you kidding? Oh my god.
You're basically gonna be like, let me see if I'm even doing it right.
She's like, I don't think I'm doing it right.
Like, wait,
there you go.
Oh, yeah. So it's basically the same.
Okay, hold on. I suck at this.
So you're gonna go into a plank, and it's basically like, maybe we should just practice walking.
Okay, yeah, I'll do it.
You're just working out now?
I know, I'm sweating. I'm sweating so hard right now.
So you're gonna go, yeah, let's just practice walking. So you're gonna go here. And every time you do a step, it's like there's gonna be like a twerk. So, I don't know if I can do this well. Okay.
So you do like a little bounce every time.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Wait, yeah, but don't. Yeah. Don't like bend your knees too hard. Like you want to still kind of like stay
Okay, so
in this.
Did you do it? Really? Oh my goodness. Hold on, let me try again. Ready? Boom.
Yes!
Yes! I can floor twerk.
Floor twerk? She can twerk.
Flirt.
Fort? That's sexy.
I can flirt. I can flirt. I'm actually sweating. Okay, we have 2 more that I'm gonna learn.
So this one's easy. It's just the class.
I literally was trying to do this last night. I can't do it. This one I just can't.
Happy sync out.
Okay, ready? So, how do I keep it moving?
I kind of like. Yeah, literally.
Is that how I do it? You like just shake my legs?
Shake. And
okay,
then,
no,
bring
bring
it
it
down.
Oh, okay, so you're shaking.
You just basically shake. You just shake it.
I don't know what I'm doing.
And then you kind of like.
You do this. I swear, like people that can do this, I give you guys so much credit. I can't.
It's not. Maybe this will help. Like do that. Sometimes like adding arms kind of like brings the.
Okay.
Whatever it brings the sass in.
Okay.
And then you can go down. You come up. Not this way.
Oh. Which way?
This way.
Oh.
Focus on your butt.
My butt doesn't It doesn't move.
You have a very firm butt.
That's too hard. It doesn't go. Look how hard I'm shaking my legs and it doesn't move. Ready? Watch it. It doesn't move anymore. Like I can be like sideways.
Hold on. I can't even do this.
It's so hard.
Yeah, I can't.
Okay.
Fail. X. I can't do that one.
I can't physically. Wait, what? I cannot physically do that one. So we're gonna go on to the very last one.
All right. So for the last one, this one's really easy. I guess we can face this way. You're literally just gonna flick.
She goes, all you gotta do is flick. I'm like, okay, please do that slower and more precise.
So both hands on your right, and you kind of just like twist this, but then your butt goes up with it. And then we'll kind of do like a variation.
What the hell am I doing? Wait, what? Okay, so
flick it. What the?
What am I doing?
This leg comes in this way.
Okay, do it again.
Boom. Yes, but then like do it to where your butt jiggles.
It doesn't jiggle. My butt can't jiggle. My thighs jiggle, but now
that was it. So boom, boom. We'll do a little choreography. We're gonna go. Yeah. So we're gonna go. We're gonna do a little choreography.
Oh, okay, so you're gonna give me a little.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you like a little thing. We're gonna put like not all of them all together, but you know. So we're gonna go. You're gonna scoop to the right.
Scoop. She's adding a scoop.
So you're gonna scoop to the right.
Okay, so.
And you're gonna go hit. And you're gonna scoop to the left.
Scoop to the left.
Whip to the left. And you're gonna go flick.
Flick.
And then you're gonna go and up.
I'm out of breath. Hold on. and up.
Cool. Ready? Put it all together.
Oh God. So, ready?
Yeah. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, ha, boom, ha, and a ha. Woo! Guys,
that was not bad. I think. I don't know. I didn't see myself.
You're a professional twerker.
I know. Boom. I can fake it. Fake it till you make it.
Fake it till you make it. I feel like you should do it by yourself.
Oh gosh. Okay. Ready? Oh Lord.
And a 5, 6, 7, 8 to the right. Flick to the left. Flick, and a up.
Probably the easiest choreography ever, and everyone's like, "Oh my God, Franny, you finally did it!"
Well, I'm out of breath for real.
I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm actually sweating.
Oh, you are sweating.
Oh. She's like, I actually see the sweat dripping down your face. I'm dying. Okay, so Nessa's gonna give me one more choreography.
We're gonna do one more.
Oh no.
Do. Okay, alright, here we go. So, we're gonna do the shaking. So you're gonna go, and a 1 and a 2.
No, 1
and a 2. 3, 4.
3, 4.
And then you're gonna go here.
Oh God.
You're gonna go, and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8.
And ow, my leg! Ow, I pulled the muscle in my leg.
Franny down! you're gonna go. Think down, 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 down. Down.
Do you see my legs?
Down. Yeah, but don't like jump into it. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom.
Okay, let's try and do this.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I think I'm off on the timing, to be honest.
Maybe if I had a song, it'd be better.
It's okay, copyright. We can't put music on. Okay, ready. Franny, you got this.
Ready?
5,
6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1.
Hold on, let me do it again.
Alright, so now Franny's on her sail.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna do this by myself. I don't know how this is gonna look, but whatever.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1, 2, pop, pop, down, and a shake, and a shake, and a shake, and a shake.
I did it! I think, I don't know. The last part's a little wonky, but it's fine. I'm gonna work on it, guys, I promise. Alright guys, so that was me learning how to twerk. I'm actually out of breath.
Yeah.
Like if you go to twerking classes,
No,
it's like a workout.
there's twerking workout classes.
Holy crap, it's intense. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of me learning how to twerk. It was pretty freaking hard.
I think you did great.
Nessa, thank you. I appreciate it. Oh my gosh, it's all I needed. No, I'm kidding. Man, I'm literally out of breath. But yeah, go check out Nessa's channel. I will have it linked down below. She is an amazing dancer. Go check her out on Instagram. She has some dancing vids, you know. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked our twerking. Please leave a comment down below on what videos you'd like to see me do. Put those push notifications on so when I upload, y'all know exactly what I do. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!